Best deals.
1. Oil filter. Can safely separate a large amount of frying oil, retain the original flavor, filter and store your cooking oil for easy reuse. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Cold press juicer. Designed with an ultra-wide 130 mm feeding chute, the slow juicer can accommodate whole fruits and large vegetable pieces without the need for extensive chopping. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Toothbrush holder. Maximize your sink or shower space with this complete bathroom brush holder. Set includes an automatic toothpaste squeezer, 2 rinsing cups, and 4 slots for brush heads. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Teacup. The air gap between the walls acts as an insulator, minimizing heat transfer to the outside. This keeps your tea or coffee warm. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Potato masher. Ergonomically designed with a premium soft grip handle that reduces strain on the wrist, making it ideal for quick, stress-free mashing of potatoes and vegetables. Perfect for potatoes, pumpkin, dal, pav bhaji, fruits, or even guacamole, this premium masher doubles as a bowl scraper, saving time and effort in the kitchen. Crafted from high-quality nylon and stainless steel. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Masala box. The easy-to-open lid of this masala box reduces prep time significantly, allowing you to focus on crafting delicious meals. An indispensable masala dani for kitchen stylish cooks, it empowers you to cook with speed and precision, enhancing your culinary adventures and confidence. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Modular drawer. Has caster wheels which are lockable and helps you to move the organizer around the place, and once done it can be locked to avoid any wobbling. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Cast iron tawa. The hard anodized surface offers non-stick properties, making this dosa tawa ideal for low-oil cooking. It allows dosas to be flipped easily without sticking, making cleanup quick and simple. Its sturdy construction ensures consistent heat. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Teapot. Versatile addition to your kitchen, designed to work seamlessly on stovetop gas burners. It is perfect for making masala chai as the tea can be boiled directly in the teapot. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Lunch box. Made with high-quality polished stainless steel, this lunch box offers a total capacity of 1 liter across 3 containers, making it ideal for balanced meals, office lunches, or school tiffins. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel, this lunch box is non-reactive, BPA-free, and resistant to rust. This insulated lunch box can be used to carry fruit, veggies, sandwiches, carbs, meat, biryani, and even desserts. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Fruit peeler. Automatic electric peeler designed for various fruits including apples, oranges, and grapes, perfect for both home and commercial use. Transparent container collects peels for easy disposal. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Mincer. Curved, bowl-like design gathers the crushed garlic for quick transfer to your recipes. Made from premium 18/8 stainless steel, it helps remove garlic smell from your hands after use. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Jug. With a large 1800 ml capacity, ideal for serving large quantities of beverages like iced tea, lemonade, juice, mocktails, cocktails, or water. It's perfect for family dinners, parties, and everyday use, making it a reliable choice. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Citrus manual juicer. Professional quality hand-press juicer machine made of heavy-duty cast iron and stainless steel, perfect for home, restaurant, bar, and family use for maximum fresh juice output. Manual juicer delivers fast and efficient juicing. Get more juice from oranges, lemons, and citrus in 1 minute without seeds or pulp for pure juice every time. Citrus juicer manual design with ergonomic rubberized handle can withstand 2300 psi. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Mocha pot. Premium aluminium heats quickly and evenly, perfect for rushed mornings. The cool touch handle and V-spout let you pour confidently without burns or mess, even when multitasking. Brew 4 to 6 cups in a space-saving 300 ml design that fits into small kitchens or travel bags. The wide mouth makes filling and cleaning a breeze because moms need quick, no-fuss solutions. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Casserole. Made from healthy ceramic coating, which is free from PFAS, PFOA, leads and chemicals, it ensures worry-free cooking and is sizzle-ready for hassle-free use. It features toxin-free ceramic coating and a toughened glass lid. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Storage bag. Large front transparent window to instantly know what is kept inside without opening the bag. Under bed storage bags can easily store up to 2 double bed comforters. 2 sturdy grab side handle for easy lifting, removal and relocation. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Brush. The V-shaped bristles easily reach into grout lines, corners, cross crevice, and hard-to-reach areas. They effectively lift stubborn dirt, dust, and stains from floors and walls without damaging the surface, making it ideal for deep and detailed cleaning. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Spice jar. Useful kitchen storage box, multipurpose spice box with spoon and tray for storing herbs or spices or dry fruits, easy to hold, pick up and carry. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Eyeglass holder. You can now place your spectacles on the stand so that you know exactly where they are all the time and avoid losing them. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Cleaning brush. Effectively cleans grout, faucets, sinks, corners, shower door tracks, worktops, grills. High-speed oscillating technology effectively cleans deep embedded dirt, stains and oil from various surfaces. 3 heads round brush, cone brush and large round brush for different surfaces and cleaning purposes, has non-slip ergonomic handle and rubber molding for comfortable cleaning. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Ice cube trays. Made of durable ABS materials, its rectangular shape and standard size make it convenient to fit in most freezers and fridges. The tray comes with a lid, a shovel, and an inbuilt storage compartment for ice cubes. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Measuring cups. Crafted with food-grade stainless steel with fine polishing finish process, ensuring rust resistance and long-last durability. Wooden handle design is more comfortable to hold. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Flat mop. The slim design helps to use mop into tight spaces, with best-in-class clearance of 5 cm, it can go under sofa, near all corners and other tight spaces giving best satisfaction of thorough and versatile cleaning. The toothbrush-style scraper helps to clear hairs, dirt, and small dust particles with precision. You can add glass cleaner for cleaning glass, floor cleaner liquid, hand wash for removing oil, or even an essential oil and water for giving an awesome fragrance in your home. Glide effortlessly under furniture, spin to reach vertical surfaces, cleaning becomes a joyous task. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Can opener. Equipped with a durable, razor-sharp stainless steel cutting wheel, this can opener pierces cans easily and slices smoothly for a hassle-free experience. The oversized, easy-to-turn knob offers a secure grip, allowing you to open cans with minimal effort and maximum control, ideal for users with limited hand strength. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Idli maker. Made of premium quality, food-grade 304 stainless steel. Tri-ply sandwich bottom is made of 3 layers of metals. Durable, scratch and rust resistant. The ergonomically designed body of the idli cooker enables heat distribution evenly. Aesthetically designed for enhanced convenience. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Containers. Crafted from sustainably sourced rice husk, Nature Box supports ethical practices in rural communities. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Gloves. Safely remove hot dishes from the oven and pots from the stove. This oven glove is machine washable and comfortable to use. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Milk frother. Simply measure chilled or warmed milk into the frothing pitcher and place the plunger inside, making sure the lid is on securely. Pump the handle up and down, about 30 to 60 seconds, until foam has desired consistency. To serve, raise the plunger and hold back the milk froth with the lid. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Oil dispenser. Multipurpose use for storing oil such as olive oil, mustard oil, vinegar etc. for kitchen use. Comes with borosilicate glass body with capacity markings along with stainless steel metallic finish lid. Spout mouth for easy pouring. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Tiffin box. Crafted from premium rust-proof stainless steel, a 4-tier tiffin satisfies your cravings, keeping food fresh, crisp, and nutritious wherever you are. Elevate your lunch game with 4 thoughtfully sized compartments. From hearty curries to wholesome salads, pack your personalized feast in a single stylish box. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Knife set. Experience smooth slicing with razor-sharp stainless steel blades, ensuring every cut is precise and clean. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these knives resist wear and tear, providing lasting durability. Perfect for daily use, these knives maintain their sharpness over time. Designed for stability, they give you full control over every slice and chop. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Soap dispenser. Just press the top plate with your sponge or scrubber to dispense the perfect amount of soap instantly, saving time and preventing waste. This dispenser is sturdy, rust-proof, and designed for long-lasting everyday use. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Square dinner plates. Product link is given in the 34th link. 35. Coffee maker. Enjoy the rich taste and aroma of freshly brewed coffee every time, making your mornings brighter and more enjoyable. Just add coffee grounds, pour hot water, and enjoy. Busy moms, rejoice! The reusable, rust-resistant stainless steel filter eliminates the need for paper filters, saving you money while reducing waste. A win-win for your wallet and the environment. Product link is given in the 35th link. 36. Drain basket. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic, these strainer bowls are built to withstand daily kitchen use. They are resistant to stains, odors, and discoloration, ensuring long-lasting durability. Product link is given in the 36th link. 37. Doorbell. Emitting a soft and pleasant tone, the bell chime delivers a clear and enduring sound that warmly welcomes visitors without harshness to the ears. Product link is given in the 37th link. 38. Plate. Product link is given in the 38th link. 39. Vegetable chopper. This powerful chopper electric for kitchen has super fast processing capabilities. Easy to chop with sharp stainless steel blades from every 360-degree angle. The onion chopper can evenly chop multitude of ingredients, including chopped onions, garlic, potato, ginger, carrots, meat and nuts. The electric vegetable chopper designed with 4 bowls and 2 sharp blades. One large capacity 600 megaliters bowl with 3 240 megaliters bowls for different chopping use. Meet your need cutting multiple ingredients at once. The stack and press design makes this electric vegetable chopper easy to assemble and use. Simply press the top button to chop and release to stop. It will automatically turn off after 30s of chopping. Non-slip base help the mini chopper keep stability and reduce noise generation. Equipped with a scraper, convenient for scraping out the ground meat. The butterfly chopper 4 bowls are made from BPA-free, food-grade materials. This garlic chopper is safe for your family's health. The veggie chopper built-in to 1500 mAh battery, 4.5 hours fully charged, Type-C cable included in package. The bowl, lid and removable blades of the vegetable chopper for kitchen are all washable. It's easy to disassemble for speedy cleanup. Simply finish cleaning under running water. This function regulates the heat your chopper produces in order to prevent appliance overheating. The stainless steel blades assist in quick and efficient chopping or dicing function. Easy press down button and anti-slip base facilitates fast and convenient operation. Chop in one go, no extra buttons or switches. Made from unbreakable ABS plastic for long-lasting and hassle-free use, this appliance takes care of your chopping needs. Multi-splash guard bowl lid is used as a cover of processing bowl after chopping. The sturdy stainless steel blades deliver smooth performance for vegetables, onions, salad ingredients and nuts, making it the perfect vegetable chopper for kitchen tasks and daily meal prep, ideal for cutting onions, tomatoes, garlic, leafy vegetables and more in one go. Whether you are preparing salads, gravy bases or meal ingredients, the large capacity makes this the best veg chopper for kitchen use at home. The smooth push mechanism ensures controlled chopping while keeping your hands safe. Perfect for users who prefer a manual chopper for kitchen use, this hand chopper is durable, efficient and ideal for small, medium or large cutting needs. Built with a strong base and high-quality materials, this vegetable cutter machine ensures long-lasting performance. The sharp stainless blades handle tough ingredients easily, making it an excellent onion cutter, salad cutter and general vegetable chopper for everyday cooking. Chopper is easy to dismantle, wash and store. Compact yet spacious, it fits perfectly in modern kitchens and is ideal for small homes, hostels, travel and outdoor cooking. A complete solution for chopping, cutting and slicing vegetables quickly and safely. Product link is given in the 39th link.